Madam Speaker, we also have to increase access to tertiary education. Our tertiary participation is about 27%. This is low in comparison to Barbados and Trinidad, who are at about 65%. Globally, countries with the highest levels of GDP and per capita income have tertiary participation at 70s to 90%. But, Madam Speaker, one of the main reasons why more students cannot and do not take advantage of tertiary studies is that they simply can't access the funding to do so. And I would tell you, one of the biggest impediments for them is the need for a guarantor at the student loan. So I want to call on the government. The opposition leader said it last year, and I want to repeat it. You have lifted the guarantee requirement for those students on par. We need to lift it for everybody. We need to lift it for all students. And I'll tell you why it's important. The students who can't get a guarantor are generally the students from the most difficult backgrounds. They can't find somebody in the family, they can't find a friend. We are reinforcing that system of that inequity because people who are a little more affluent have people who they can find as guarantors. But we need the persons who come from lower income households to get the access so that they can lift themselves. And so I'm saying, let us, you started with the part things, let us expand it. Let us even look at a pilot to see how it works, to determine what are the issues that you may need to address. But I'm telling you, one of the biggest hindrances is that need for a guarantor to access money from the student loan.